Uba dan bok lang karleng do Vice President ke New Trap Youth Council. Ula kentai ban kubli keti u Director juga negrims. Uba lawan ban ekran bat panmap na kaseng. Hadin baki nelam bat khot juga kaseng kilami jendat na kejingalang. Hakalai phoi tari kalalang kot arjara phosau ke HYC. Alalaj ban kendu u Director ke negrims unalin meta. Ban ekran halor kibabun kimat na kamenta kejimentoi kisamla trajela. Hari kerbadang yai kejingalang u meta ula keren bany bat kento e kaseng. Da kabaong bakiwan matau jing klumar. Kumta da kajing bitar kini alam kaseng kilami jandat no bat berngam ban khang talas ndon ke kamera u Director. U Director hadin bola nguthu ke jing bakala ulami syabar ban ya keren nguthu ba kini alam kaseng. Hakaba ula kublai keti u Presiden ban ekiwe kibal ai kublai lang. Hari tang u badan poklang kumcem tre ban kublai keti wala u Director ula penbor. U badan poklang ulong baya menta unom ai kublai. Tat hadu bo unda penurlong yakimat jing dawa.
Dur seberang, dur seberang, dur seberang.
I will handshake after completion. After you fulfill our demands.
I have a request.
Until you fulfill our demands, I will handshake with you.
I cannot.
Sorry for today. Because you have welcomed in such that manner.
Some leaders are upset. Our members all are coming here. Some more are coming. We could have taken a drastic step. There could have been a law and order situation in this hospital.
I do not wish.